Want to share your Postman collections or move them into Sparrow? Let's walk through 2 easy ways to export your collection. Let's begin with method 1, exporting your collection as a JSON file. Start by launching the Postman desktop app or opening the Postman web interface in your browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the tab labeled Collections. Next, locate the specific collection you want to export. Hover over it, and you'll see a 3-dot menu appear on the right side of the collection name. Click on those 3 dots, which will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, choose Export. This option lets you download the entire structure and data of your collection. Method 2, share your collection using Postman's API. Right-click the collection or click the Share button from the top right. In the pop-up, go to Share via API, then click Copy Postman API URL. Paste this link into your browser. You'll see the full JSON representation of the collection. You can then copy the raw text or right-click to save it as a file. Import your collection into Sparrow and supercharge your API testing today.